Hadien ke Jingpoi ki bomb squad nanong ba Shillong bantala si banpet bnya ya kawai Kapla Iong kabla I hapdeng surok hanong po kabla pen kiwin ya ki babun ki ba lalapen ban tang ki Jain Suda Hapo katei Kapla bala subaru baki don ki ba I no ya katei Kapla hapdeng surok.
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.